She's telling her truth. Tori is telling her truth. Hello, hello, hello. I'm looking at Tori tell her truth. And I told you guys that she didn't like Velvet. Even though she denied it before she left. But now she tells her truth about Velvet. That none of the women over there wanted Velvet back. She's saying she would not follow their page. She is talking about how none of the women's like Velvet. She says everybody was mad.
So, oh my God, this should be hilarious to me. Like when you really, and that's the thing, like you get stuck in it because the shit is funny. Like you be laughing at other people there, and then like you like start focusing on yourself. Like that was my problem. I was like, I started like I got to a point where I was like, I'm gonna make this shit work. Like it's always like, I'm gonna make this shit work.
See, every time Velvet is there, Nature Boy takes it out on Tori because he feels Tori energy, and Tori do not want anything to do with Nature Boy. She's there for Nubian, and that's it. And Nature Boy knows that, and he knows she doesn't want to have sex with him. She's not interested in the crap he's talking about. So this is the head up between her and Nature Boy. But the main thing is she didn't like Velvet because she's a strong woman. See, Velvet's plan is she really wants Chief by herself. So she seen how he was begging and all that. It worked out when she was in Louisiana. But what she don't know, she's going to end up pregnant. Okay? And like I said, it's still death coming to one of the members. But she's going to end up pregnant again. And this time, it's going to be a little boy. But this time, it's going to do a 360 on their relationship. Because Velvet really does not want this combination group in her life. But she's not being honest. Just like she wasn't. So, at the end of the day, you will see this play out. And it will end carbonation. It will end carbonation. Because Velvet is not going to stop until she destroys Chief. See, he don't know he's working with his own demon. She will not stop till she destroy Chief. And he's in the right place now to get locked up America because he owed for child support. All he needs to do is make a phone call. He haven't paid child support in years. So, at the end of the day, he's hiding because somebody might be done told him about that, or he's thinking about that. He haven't paid child support. So, everybody to come and get married, that's going to happen. He's going to get some of them married, and he's going to come back to Atlanta, Texas, New York, and try to spread all this, whatever you want to call it, he's got going. But at the end of the day, Velvet is not going to stay. She want to stay right now because she's trying to keep the family thing because she has the problem with her dad. But she's not going to stay. And Tori is so happy now. Her whole face look comfortable. She is so happy now. So, have a good day, because Tori is not spilling all the beans, and I'm not going to waste your time. Have a good day.